Welcome back guys, and in WhatsApp you have accidentally changed your language to any other language except English. Then how will you come back to English language from any other language? I am going to quickly cover in this video. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video after watching it, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just I am opening the WhatsApp, and here you can see the language has been changed. So just tap on the three dots, and without thinking anything, just tap on the last link and then scroll down, and then third from the last, just tap it here. It is language and security. So from here you can go to any language whatever you want, but in this language, in this video I have told you to how to go back into the English. Just tap select an English, and now boom, that has been changed. So this is what I wanted to tell you. I will quickly tell you. Go tap on three dots, tap on the last one and go below and third last. From here you can change. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.